Well, hello guys on YouTube there. How are you guys today? Welcome to part 3 of the final finished project of my rewiring of my lamp today. By the way, I'm going to be testing it out and showing you how it all works and stuff like that. By the way, I got my GFI for safety, and also my lamp is also done and stuff like that. It's using 43 watts of 3 light bulbs, by the way. And let's go ahead and test it and show you what it looks like here, guys. This is the final project. Notice we got a switch on the bottom, and there's the top of my lamp itself, and also the 3 grounded outlet. By the way, it's by wire code. Anything made out of metal needs a 3 grounded outlet. This is the ground, that's the neutral, and on that side is the hot. Let's plug on the GFI. The GFI is also for safety. And let's talk about these light bulbs here. These are a GE soft white incandescent 40 watt light bulb as compares to a 60 watt, but that's what I'm running in my lamp right now. Got 3 of those. It actually was a 4-pack, but I only need 3. Let's go ahead and put the GFI on here. You hear that click? We got power to the GFI. And let's go ahead and flip the switch. The toggle switch is also working. And there you go, guys. A final finished project of my lamp. Let's go ahead and turn the toggle switch off. The toggle switch, when it's facing down, it's off. When it's on, it's up. Very good job. I made the cord about 6 feet long. But it's not that long because I don't want it that long because I don't know what I'm going to stickle yet. I haven't decided on where to put all. And by the way, this is all just different parts of different lamps I just thrown together and put together and stuff. You know, it's pretty cool. And the GFI is just here for my protection and stuff so I don't get electrocuted or anything. By the way, I am not a certified electrician. By the way, this is just a hobby I like to do. I rewired it all right, and it works just fine. And the top, here you can see, is on. The top of the piece is on the top though, right though. You guys can see that. I put it on with the 2 screws that comes with it, stuff like that. It has 3 bulbs, 1, 2, 3, incandescent 40 watt, 43 watt bulbs. And that's about it. This is the finished project of my lamp, guys. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Testo. Boop. She's on. And if I turn it back off, okay, she's off. I really like the way it turned out, guys. I think it's a safe way of now using the lamp and stuff like that. It's a very good ground system now. By the way, I also put the cardboard underneath the bottom, on the bottom plate, underneath the plate, but I have not put the felt on the bottom yet. I'll keep you guys updated on when I'm going to get the double stick felt kind of stuff. But let's go ahead and just talk about the outlet here, the plug. This plug, again, is a 3 grounded outlet. You have your ground, you have your hot, and you have your neutral. Everything is wired correctly on the plug. I chose a sideways plug. By the way, I did not choose a straight plug because I'm going to be making a demo for this lamp as well. And I want this to be able to have it to be sideways instead of like stick like this and put a lot of stress on the cord and stuff like that. And by the way, anything made out of metal has to be grounded. It's by wire code. With any type of electrical projects like lamps or outlets or anything like that, all have to be wired correctly and also grounded correctly for the lamp and plug to work correctly. Now, the reason why I know this is all metal is I can show you guys the reason why. I'm going to take a magnet, like this magnet right here on the end of this rod, stick it to here. See, it sticks. Stick it to the base. It sticks still. And I can stick it to the bottom. And that tells me this is all steel. And by the reason why it's all steel, it's just the way it was made. But I really like it a lot, guys. I think I did a very good job of making this project and finishing this project up. It's now no longer I have to keep looking at it and wondering when I'm ever going to get it done. But you're looking at it right now, guys. It is a finished lamp, and again, it works. All the bulbs light up, all the bulbs are wired correctly, and the sockets are wired correctly. Stuff like that. Let's go and flip it back on. Ta-da! And let's go and flip it back off with the toggle switch. The toggle switch is also wired correctly with the hot lead, not the neutral. You have hot lead, neutral, and ground. The ground is just grounding the whole entire lamp metal, just to make sure it's an easier way to do it. But that's just for my safety and stuff as well. And also for a lot of people's safety if you want to able to use this type of lamp. This is not the correct way to do this type of lamp, but it's good enough for government work, guys, for what I needed to get done and how I got it done. It's a very good style lamp. I mean, if it was an antique, guys, I would not recommend messing too much with changing the ports on your antique lamps. This is not an antique lamp. This is just some type of bought store kind of lamp somebody share away and stuff like that. But what the heck with it? It's just parts I had laying around, and I just decided to put it together, and it works very good. I really like it. And by the way, the GFI is also a nice safety device as well. And also to quickly, if I get it wired wrong, the GFI should trip itself out. That's what it's designed to do. And the GFI is just one of those type of outlets. It's just a good outlet to have. I really like the way it's working. And by the way, I'm using a 14 gauge extension cord, red extension cord. And it's pretty nice. Make sure you're not getting any heat from the plug. No heat. No. This was a 25 brand new extension cord I took apart. And I have a couple extra pieces left over. And that's about it, guys. I'm very happy with the lamp, of the way it's designed and the way it's built. And by the way, I don't know if you guys can do this kind of project yourself. Just make sure you guys are doing it correctly and make sure you have it wired correctly and stuff like that. And a safety thing, get a GFI. GFI will also work as well. Let's go on just explain to you guys about these bulbs here. These bulbs are just a standard GFI, standard GE soft weight 40 watt, 43 watt bulb with 60 20 lumens, and the lifespan is 1.8. And you can see I just have my old 60s, a couple of my old 60s in here. And there's one of those new bulbs. But it comes in a pack of 4. I needed 3 because this only uses 3 lights as well. I like the way it turns out. I think it's a good job. I don't know, it's just a pretty good way of fixing and stuff like that for me. It's a good hobby for me. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe. Please leave a comment please like if you like what I did, how I fixed up and rewired my lamp hill. And alright guys, peace out, bye, we'll keep you updated on the demo blog as well. Bye guys!